when I go back to my spawn menu and host a broadcast, it'll say here, is this a larger than 20 absentee event? And now I say yes. And here's what's going to happen. You're going to choose if this is a private event, which is only open to people inside your org. These are Villa users that you add using their email into your app.villa.rocks web account. Or if you want to make this public, it'll show up public access. And you notice that when I clicked on that, it spawns a stage right in front of us. The stage is where you'll be broadcasting from. When you go back, everyone will be watching you from their respective villas, and you can of course change the geo. You can make it in DIY or any environment that you like. And what happens is this here broadcasts not just into this villa, but into all the additional replicated villas that will join. If you have a larger panel, just head over again to spawn, go to miscellaneous, choose a lounge chair, and just go ahead and spawn one, and you can place it over here, and you can add additional panelists. And as always, when you aim at a chair, push your thumbstick to be seated in that seat. So that's how it works. Right now, I'm beaming into this villa, and any overage villas which are replicated versions of exactly this villa will be able to see me now. In this way, I can reach thousands of people. Remember that if you spawn anything from, let's say, 3D models, beach ball. So I can pick an object. And now, other people outside of this villa, the replicated overage, will also be able to see this. Everything in this stage right now is getting beamed out to anybody connecting into this villa.